give me back guy. Give me back guy, give me back guy, give me back guy. When mon shell charge back guy, give me back guy.
Ça fait tout le monde, c'est Chama Gang qui tourne avec une autre vidéo pour nous, une autre différentes vidéos pour nous aujourd'hui. Vidéo pour nous c'est une masse vidéo que moi nous pourrons mettre masse dans figure. So cette vidéo ça nous peut pour aujourd'hui à regarder vidéo. Avant de continuer à regarder vidéo ça, pas oublier pour abonner sur la chaîne là, like et commenter et pas oublier pour aller abonner sur la chaîne Abigail Florence là. Et quitte un commentaire pour lui, pour dire c'est Kylie Chama ou sorti, ou allez abonner sur la chaîne. Et, guys, venons commencer avec vidéo. Sixième, ça?
Non.
Alright. So, guys, nous allons commencer avec vidéo. So, show them the thing. So, ça c'est masse nous faire. Nous faisons masse là avec sirop miel avec zé. Yes, nous prenons organiser sirop miel, nous mettons ensemble avec un peu like 3 qui est sirop miel et puis nous passons ensemble et puis pour nous faire masse là pour nous mettre dans la figure. So, nous pas mettre sirop miel là, nous te fait use là. Nous pas quoi si n'a pas ouais. So c'est le même use et puis nous pas use petit brosse ça juste pour nous coller. Massa na figino. So guys, et puis na plus papier. Ou nous avons fait ça pour nous, na plus papier. And what else? Et puis nous allons use hair dryer. Nous allons use hair dryer pour nous chercher figino parce que like, on a cherché avec what? On a cherché avec papier. La durée trop temps, so on a juste use ça pour nous sécher puis so vous allez brancher avant. Ok, so guys, vous allez brancher. Nous allons commencer. Guys, nous commençons. So, come,
You want me to
come
put it on
closer.
you?
Come
Or
closer. No, I'm gonna put
okay.
So I really want to use papier. I don't wanna play game, play the game. So guys, c'est vidéo, ça vidéo.
Yeah, I think I'm done so for now. I think I'm done for now.
So, okay, now let's finish. Show them your face. Okay, so we're gonna finish the valley. One by filling out some spam, let me get some paper. Well, I need something. So, yeah. So, c'est comme ça, moi, je fais pas moi-même. C'est tout comment faire. You look so.
Oh shoot. I gotta start over.
Why so over?
I messed it up.
Because I was I told you that before. You're funny.
Whatever. Give me for now.
You don't have to put it on your whole face at the same time. Like me, that's how I do it all the time. C'est comme ça moi toujours faire. Alright, so now I'm gonna get the other one. Let's see.
Okay.
You see, my marshall guys, me like, oh girl. Non, même qui fait masse nous, ça sont masse papier, heart, papier, so, même qui fait masse nous, naturel, ok. Alright.
Oh, this is sticky.
No, it's not.
Oh shoot, it went in my mouth.
Be careful. Okay, so, guys, nous allons aller dans le troisième là. Donc, on va faire des bosses à yo.
I'm split in half like this. I'm split in half.
Ma salle va décoller souci. So,
My wrist.
so ma salle va décoller souci. Guys, so, donc ouais, on va mettre ça, on va mettre ça, on va mettre le ça. Yeah, you got it. So, quand on va prendre tes parties, please come on top. Wait. Please come on, we're going to part two. Naturel masse. You want to use it? So, ça c'est naturel masse, guys. You got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it. Lo bien, hombre. So guys, kunyala mana bo sa Leo. So guys, nama sa kunya. Don't put too much. If you put too much, it's not gonna stick in here. That's why you should put a little, you know, you have to draw them.
Okay.
I can smile you. I don't want to smile too, like, messed up my thing. To stay straight up. Period. Drama face. So guys, so
And the other side of my head. Okay.
So guys, you know, bossa. How many? Say you got it, girl. You got it. Okay. So guys, I'm presque fini. Oh, my fini. No, not that goes right here. Yeah.
And
Hold on.
I did right here too.
Oh hell no. Cause guys, you know,
I'm going back to school facial, yeah?
who is dumb snatcher people who like you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Baby, and I'm banging them up. You know what? So I think I'm really finished, guys. I'm finished. I think I'm fucking done. I'm feeling done. Oh my goodness, we gotta do the thumbnail right now. So the secret of sweetness, we're gonna put the mini on and we're gonna draw them. So no matter, with a minute left, we're gonna draw them. Period. So you done? If I go finish. You slow. You slow, like you really slow. You done anyway.
Oh shoot.
So let's get to it. A Siri. This one don't even have any Siri in it. A Siri. Siri don't work. So I gotta write this time or put it in.
Look, I put it right here.
So let's get the drawing. Plug it in so we can use it. Is that what? Oh, why do you leave it open? Yeah. Oh my my goodness, girl. Can I use this vibe? Because you make my thing mess it up.
What thing?
You make me laugh. Stop playing. Stop playing. Yeah. Okay, do this. Do it. Because you make my thing mess. But I got there. Stop. Stop, please. Oh my God, you're in. Alright. Let me just for my ears because I don't want to mess up. You see, I feel like it's messing up.
Yeah.
Can you close this thing and plug it in? When you plug it in, after we're gonna. Okay. Oh, that's.
We'll be back when it's all done.
Yes.
Hey guys, I'm gonna take mine off because it is taking too long. Anyways, I'm gonna do an extra step. Oh God. I'm just gonna. This is disgusting.
I'm trying to get my shares. Where's the probably shares? Not messed up the honey. You messed up the honey. I can drink like I needed to eat to drink.
There might be more in the fridge.
Huh?
There might be more in the fridge.
There's some more.
Maybe, yeah. I was disgusted. It's done. Right here, maybe, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna wash this all off, guys. It's disgusting. Ew. Yeah. I'll wash my face and do an extra step that Regina's probably not gonna do. So I'm gonna wash my face and come back right here again.
So guys, no, wait. Não fini, pa mwen gado chèche. Mwen gado ta, mwen te tan de bote chèche, tout chèche. So konya, mwen val retire lan.
And hard.
Yeah, la. So, be careful because they're gonna hurt.
I know. Ready?
What? Wait.
Oh, damn.
Eu falei, mal,
Oh. Okay. Dentro do bottom.
So. I think I have to just watch the video.
Yeah.
So I give them la vérité pour me retirer. This take hard.
Yeah, try to peel off that one.
I'm gonna take it up with water.
No, take it with this.
This one?
Yeah, try to take it off.
You see? Water. So guys, move on la figure, move to me back. But done. We done. And we done.
This is my face.
Yeah, that's a figure. Before, after. I forgot the before, so.
In the beginning.
So, sa figure. Avant de mettre master. Konya après mettre master. Nou ka gade avant mettre master di pa même jan. So, nou te fon naturel mas pou kote nou. So, di wad fon video sou channel li a pabliye pou nou check video sa pou nou gade tout. Mat mette li nan lik la pou nou. Di wad fe on mas avek glou sa and avek honey sa. So, pabliye pou nou check sa nan channel li a pou nou gade ki jan fel. Sinon, ta bez fel pou nou fel tout. So, guys, thank you. Paske nou te gade, merci paske nou te gade video sa. Pabliye pou nou abone, like, partager, commenter. So, ala abone sou channel li an. Pou please video. Non li se Abigail for it. So, mette li nan lik la pou nou. Pabliye pou nou ala abone sou channel la. So, guys, peace. You have something to say? You have something to say?
No.
Go subscribe to her channel. I know you have to say that, but